So we're here in MK at our girls only street session, and what we've looked to do today is have an iftar event, and we've welcomed families as well as the participants. So just a reason to get together and celebrate the month and coming towards the end of it.
This is the first year we've tried to do this, and we're really fortunate that Samina's been working with us for over a year now, and Musin just under, and they really wanted to do something to bring together Easter and Ramadan and connect not just the street session that's taking place here tonight, but also the Super Ones session before, and bring together the community to sort of celebrate breaking the fast at the end of the session.
Well, today we've been I think it's very good, like community-wise. We're coming together or something. So we're first we did healthy eating workshop, which is teaching us about healthy eating, and then we just did some bowling, batting, fielding workshops with cricket, just getting a bit involved before we broke the fast together and we ate.
I just wanted to build a bit more awareness around food, especially in this month, and what the right things are to eat, and what things we should try and stay away from, and just trying to think about health in general, and trying to give these kids the information that they need to kind of live a healthy lifestyle.
It makes me feel more represented, people actually care.
Buckinghamshire's reputation is probably rural wealth in lots of pockets, but also we've got three big towns. I mean, Milton Keynes here, we've got 270,000 people, Aylesbury and High Wycombe, probably around 100,000 people, and they're incredibly diverse places and also getting more diverse. So we've got to move with that and make sure we've got offers there for those diverse groups that wouldn't necessarily go into a cricket club like we would have done 10, 20 years ago.
We look to accommodate needs, so things that they would have at home. We like to try and replicate that here at the session. So, like you said, a place to pray. We look to provide that for our participants and families here today, and which they regularly kind of take us up on. They take up on that offer of having a quiet place to pray within the sessions, as well as obviously the food here today as well. So, we're providing them food to break their fast and just enjoy some quality time with their families and friends.
I think it's, again, with these sessions, what we notice is people of different backgrounds come and attend them. So it's really nice to kind of break down barriers, make friendships, understand cultures. And again, being a Muslim, I thought it was a really wonderful gesture for this session to be arranged. And it's not just Eid, it's again, the timing was with Easter as well. So our family loves Christmas and Easter. So again, I think these kind of events really do send out positive messages of unity, of acceptance, and focusing on the things that unite us rather than the differences.
For us, it's all about, a time of reflection, kind of a reset for us Muslims, and it's a month of giving as well. So things like this today, giving to the community, that's what we're all about, and that's what this month's all about as well.